This is happening, this is happening, this is happening. We're going to Milan. You ready, Deej?
Yeah. Buongiorno. I think that
Is that right?
Yeah, I think that means welcome.
Oh, okay.
We're still in LA.
We're so LA right now. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to Milan with Estée Lauder, which is obviously a brand that I love so much and have talked about to celebrate the Advanced Night Repair Serum, which you guys know that I use. So I'm so excited. And the best part is, guess who's coming with me?
What's up? I'm wearing A&R right now.
That wasn't even an ad. He actually is. That's
I really am.
It's because I gave it to him.
Yeah.
Yeah. My friends Nima, Karen, and Mariana are going on the trip too. Okay, so you know how like most like beauty influencer bloggers like have like +1s that are like their husbands or like Instagram boyfriends? I have this guy who's checking out what he looks like.
Oh, I need to know what I look. Oh, sorry. Hello, YouTube.
Next stop, Milan.
Yes.
Let's be real. The next stop is the plane.
Oh, let's be real. The next stop is Frankfurt because we have a layover. That's off brand. So yeah, Milan.
It's so on brand. Are you kidding? Italy, we're here. Oh my god. How cute. Just got to our room and they got us, oh my gosh, customized. Stop it. DM, what? Okay, now I'm less sad that I don't have my suitcase because I got the hookup. Okay, just got to the cutest restaurant. I don't think I'm even saying that.
Il Tavolino.
Cover charge? Are we at the club or are we at a restaurant? Whatever, let's eat some food. Here's the deal. My ENT says I can't have red wine, but the nice guy recommended the best one, so we have to. Cheers, Deej.
Cheers. Julio's finest.
Yum. Okay, I just have to say the cover was worth it. These people are really nice and I'm excited to eat everything.
You're living in like the style.
It tastes like homemade pasta.
Oh hell yeah!
It tastes like that Italian shit.
You know why? It's the water's different.
Yes. Hotel room. This is the thing that people don't realize when going on these trips. The work doesn't stop.
Let's stop though.
It's technically a Wednesday, for the record.
Yeah. Can you get some room service?
Like you've had too much wine, that's
Allora! What does that even mean?
I don't know.
Alright, OOTD, Revolve, Cult Gaia. My necklaces say Live Tinted on it. They're from my friend Stella's company. And it's my favorite thing that I bought a long time. Also, I did a 5-minute face, so I'm really proud of myself. Also, my hair is greasy from like 4 days ago. But we're in Milan, so I'm happy and it doesn't even matter.
Oh my gosh. This purse is the worst purse ever. It's not comfortable to hold.
It's not uncomfortable to hold.
It doesn't even close. Like, stuff's gonna be coming out of it.
It's called fashion. So here's what's going down right now. Because my bag came late, all the girls are already at lunch with the Estée Lauder team, and we're on our way there now. And Deej, where are we going? What's it called?
Ristorante Giacomo. How do you say it? Giacomo?
Sí.
Giacomo? Giacomo.
Giacomo, that's where we're going. Yay! At this point in life, we feel like we're always in Ubers.
We took a regular taxi cab and we just walked out of there. And he's like, sir, you pay. And we're like, oh.
We're like, oh yeah.
Oh, he said something like that.
Yeah.
I think.
Say hi.
Oh, yeah.
Mariana, say hi. Say hi. Hi. I'm coming to you. Say hi.
Hello. Oh, he's so cute. Here, I got one.
Nima, say hi.
I think he's the one on the
Deej.
I genuinely thought
It's our dream and our nightmare all in one.
It is. I'm excited.
We are now going to the Estée Lauder store here in Milan. So basically, it's showing me what the pure color lipsticks look like on me.
Yes, it did.
Ooh. Can we try the pink again?
Oh boy.
Wait, Deej.
I know. I feel very taunted by these choices.
All right, time to do this IG Live. Hey Estée Beauties, I'm Deepica and I'm so excited. I'm here in Milan with Estée Lauder. There's people from all over the globe. I'm gonna give you guys little sneak peeks, so come with me and let's get started.
All I know is that's serum. I just learned that.
Did the Instagram Live. DJ has officially seen what my life for the past 3 years has been like. See, this is what I'm saying. People think that it's just...
It's a lot of work. It's a lot. Like, I'm drained. I'm making an espresso and it's 7 p.m.
All right, so we just came back to the hotel and in 30 minutes, now we're all gonna go to the actual event and I'm gonna just enjoy the night. And then tomorrow we have a full day. We got the Estée Lauder to learn more about the Advanced Night Repair and their brand new product. So, Deej, let's have fun tonight. Let's relax and make the most of it.
Today, Advanced Night Repair is our beloved and #1 serum around the world. Tonight, we are launching a new platform. This platform called The Night Is Yours.
Oh my God, do you see this?
Wait. Oh, that's you. Whoa. That's cool. That's me. Following you. That's us.
So I just found out there's 250 people here from 30 different countries, all here to celebrate one of the world's most famous serums, the Advanced Night Repair. To me, as somebody who just launched a brand, it is so crazy to see the impact and global stamp a freaking brand can make. Freaking goals. Estée Lauder, you are goals. So Courtney and I were talking about this, and actually we were talking about this yesterday about how like Estée Lauder was a female innovator before being a female innovator was a thing. It's so dope. The Advanced Night Repair has turned into, first of all, the #1 serum in the world, but also the serum was the first product as part of the Advanced Night Repair collection. And now it's
night serum ever.
Oh, my bad. Over here with the brand points.
1982.
Courtney works for the brand if that wasn't obvious. In 1982. She's got the years down, LOL. But now we're gonna hear about this concentrate from a fancy pants scientist. All right, so here it is, the concentrate. We're about to hear about it. How much hyaluronic acid is in this baby?
15 times more than A&R.
Same.
You're me a skincare expert after this.
I want Deej to be in this with me. Deej, come put it on. You're fine.
My favorite is when Christina was like, dude, you don't actually have to keep wearing this.
Yet here you are.
Had to? Okay.
That's 2 pumps. 10 times the hyaluronic acid. My skin feels really soft.
Do I like dab it?
Just like, I don't know.
Ooh, it smells good.
Today we are extremely excited to actually present a whole new product to you, part of the Advanced Night Repair franchise.
such a cool presentation. You know what's really interesting? I feel like you also learned a lot.
I did. Like, my cytokines are being damaged and replenished.
It's like just so interesting hearing all the science and DNA that goes behind your brand. Thanks, Estee Lauder. It's been a short trip, but we gotta go pack, eat some pasta.
Yeah, let's do it.
And then we're gonna head to London this weekend and hang out with our friends, but this has been awesome and my skin looks nice and moisturized. Hope you guys like this vlog. See you next time. Bye guys.
Peace.
Dude, do you wanna come with me on another influencer trip next time?
Let's do it.
Until the next adventure.